Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What can you make with arrowroot powder? Uses: soups, stews, gravies, sauces, pancakes, pie fillings and custards are all great uses for arrowroot powder. It's great as a coating for meat and fish, especially for fried foods. June 210, 1439 AH. How do you cook with arrowroot powder? Use it as a thickener. Arrowroot powder can be used as a way to thicken soups, stews, gravies, and sauces. You do this by making a slurry. Mix the arrowroot into a cold liquid such as water or non-dairy milk and whisk until smooth. Then you pour the slurry into the hot sauce or gravy to thicken it and make it glossy. Can arrowroot be used instead of flour? With twice the thickening power of wheat flour, arrowroot starch is a great alternative to all-purpose flour. Naturally gluten-free, a high-quality arrowroot powder will have just one ingredient: arrowroot starch. RAM 3, 1441 AH. Does arrowroot powder need to be cooked? You don't really want to cook with arrowroot as it will break down at higher temperatures, so stir in right before serving. Bonus: arrowroot holds up beautifully when used with acidic ingredients or frozen. Not so with cornstarch, so feel free to batch cook and freeze your recipes. RAM 29, 1438 AH. Is arrowroot healthier than flour? Arrowroot flour is a nutritious substitute for cornstarch because it acts similarly to cornstarch but contains more dietary fiber. It is naturally gluten-free, making it a good alternative to wheat flour for people with celiac disease or those on gluten-free diets. Rab 212, 1440 AH. Can arrowroot flour replace all-purpose flour? Because this starch is neutral in flavor, it works great when used in both sweet and savory recipes. With twice the thickening power of wheat flour, arrowroot starch is a great alternative to all-purpose flour. Naturally gluten-free, a high-quality arrowroot powder will have just one ingredient: arrowroot starch. RAM 3, 1441 AH. Is arrowroot healthier than cornstarch? Arrowroot flour is a nutritious substitute for cornstarch because it acts similarly to cornstarch but contains more dietary fiber. Arrowroot flour also contains more calcium than cornstarch. Rab 212, 1440 AH.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.